What's going on, guys? It's AJ here, and I believe I may be the first in the world to put a 12-inch sub in this 2022 Nissan Fontier. So let me show you. So I've drove this truck about 5,000 miles. We got a few upgrades since last time you've seen it. We got the bed cover on. We got LEDs in all four corners. All right, let's crank it up. All right, guys, now that we're in here in the truck, I'm just going to give you a auditorial listen of the difference between 112 and just door speaker sound. Here we got a song playing. You know, pretty good bass already. Let's add some bass. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, there's a big difference between having no subs and just 112, especially in this small cabin. So I'll show you the box that we have. So if you look right here, this is the box. Our seats still are pretty flat. Got the amp right here. It is a 12-inch kicker sub. I had to take out the container box, and it sounds pretty good. I like how it sounds. We got I have all the wires here. I hate having to see wires. Anyway, just stay tuned. We'll make more videos. See y'all guys later.